Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and that's they call it cipher block in Japanese Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, yes. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9740. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Well, the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. So don't think it's a 4 stars puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay, same side. Same with the other side, but we already have a 4 here. Okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadra boxes then? I see here, quadra box, well, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. T shape. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. This case is a 4 or a 5 here. 4 or a 5. Okay. We have more of this kind of shapes. Let me check. No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround a 3, can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, so a 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 box left now in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. The only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Right. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. Let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be a should be a 2. Can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Okay. Let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can be 3. Can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 1 and 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and 3, we have 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. The 1 here, need the 1 there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Yeah. Come on. Let me think. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. This box can be 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5 is connected with that box, so 4 and the 5, but we already have a 5 there, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then let me see. Ay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 1, 2, 4, 3, and the 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this quadra box should be 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So 3. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Then, let me see. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Then, let me see. Yeah. Well. Come on. 2, 2. Alright, let me put some numbers. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Not helping me, not helping me. 3, 3. Not helping me, not helping me. The difficult part, the difficult part. Well, either one here. This can be 2, 3, 4. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. But also that box can be a 1. Can be a 2. Can also not be a 3. And a 4 is in the same area. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Is connected with that box. Should be so a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Okay. And now. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me here. It's not helping me. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there then, okay. Come on, come on. 1, 2. Can be 5. Can be 3. 3, 3. Need a 5 here. 5, 5. Well. 1, 3, 5, so 2 or 4. Come on. This is a 2, 3 and a 4. Well, I'm stuck here. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left 4 in this area is supposed to be there. Alright. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. I need a 1 here. I need a 2 here. Well, the difficult part, these two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So, and this box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. These two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. Mark those two boxes earlier the 5. We have a 5 now, so this can be 5 anymore. That box will be a 5. So this box will be a 4. 4 or 5, so it's a 4 is connected with that box, will be so 4. And if we eliminate here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this area for number 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for number 3. And the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. And this box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box will be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 2. Let me mark those. This box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. And these 3 boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 2 should be here. If I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be so a 2. But we already have a 2 there in the same area. So not the solution, place the 2 there, the 2 is supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is also connected with that box, so 3 and 5 is also connected with that box, so 3 and 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left now in this area for number 3. And I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. And I find no 2, no. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And I find no 2 numbers, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, we solve it again. We solve it again. Not the 4, not the 3. Should be at 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by itself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute. No, see you tomorrow. This was the last puzzle for today. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Friday. It's almost weekend. So until then, bye-bye for now.